K.house is a garden house in the center of Phan Thiet city. It is a new house built entirely based on the memories, lifestyle, and living habits of the old house where the family has lived for over 30 years. We divided the house vertically to balance the two elements of family activities and accommodation services. Functions such as kitchen, dining table, living room, and bedroom. It can be opened and closed flexibly when needed, ensuring functionality and privacy. The backbone and main traffic axis connecting the front and back garden, courtyard, are two long parallel corridors. You can fully feel the sound, smell of grass, and cool view no matter your room. Although there is only the ground floor, we use a large exposed iron truss system to increase height and airiness, inspired by typical resort buildings in Mui Na such as Saigon Mui Na Resort, architect Nguyen Van Tat, Jibe Beach Club. Combined with natural materials such as Ton Hoa yellow and black tangled stone. The simple furniture combines wood with leather and rattan lanterns to give the space a tropical feel. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.